Okay, say this again. Greyhounds
are couch potatoes 95% of the day. One good walk a day, and they're good.
Yeah. But what happened?
Show me in a picture.
Oh.
I need to take.
Oh, is there some blood?
I think she's okay. She just kind of wiped out. Okay. Why don't you sit for a minute?
How old is she?
He's 7.
He's him. Sorry.
Yeah, he's fixed.
Yeah.
I think they have real I looked when it. Thank you. I'm all paranoid. Oh my God! For a minute, I thought he was gonna. There you go, Tracy. Take that. Where you laying?
Oh, he's like, hey, Biba girl, come on, let's go.
Biba's having fun.
Come on, here comes Biba. Yay, come on, Biba. Come on, Biba. Don't come splash in the water, silly girl. Hi. Hi. There he goes. I think Biba's going to do the houndy, explory, smell around thing. Biba girl.
Well, I gotta watch that big. I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah, it's okay.